like them. Jamming on the beat. Serves me out and nothing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with October's Allure box. Now, if you're not familiar with Allure, I think it's $25 a month delivered. And I don't remember how many items they say you get every month or whatever, but this is one of my favorites. I will keep this regardless. Even if I, don't quit opening boxes on YouTube, I will still keep this box because it's just one of my faves, especially for the price. Okay, and they always give you a little book. Well, not always, but usually they give you a little book, and it's just telling you about what's in it and the values and things like that and how to use them. They do that every month. And then you also get these cards. And here's for the GQ. And then here's the Best of Beauty box, which I'm probably going to order payday if they still have it. So, yeah. And then we got this again, only this time it's a bigger thing. And that's these Olay cleansing melts. We got these before, but they were single ones. And another, I'm not sure what box. It may not have been this. So, just be aware. It may not have been this box, but this one we have 12. And the other ones we had like 3 or 4. So this is, you're going to get more use out of this to find out if you like it better or not. So that's a winner. This one is so full. Look at this. Let me put this back in here. This is, it's full to the top. Way full. So, and this, which is not always this full. Don't get me wrong, but this month is very full. So let me just pull this out first. What is this? It's Belif Gel. Well, that's not going to help. Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. That's what this is. See, I was reading this side, and it's in Spanish. No. I don't. Now, this... Look. Come on, guys. Come on. It's an eye thing. We don't... Ooh, it's this kind of... This is what it looks like. It's an eye thing. You don't expect a big one eye thing. So why did... And it's just a clear gel. Ooh, it's very refreshing. Very. So, there's that. But, did we really need this big box for that? I don't think so. I don't think we did. So, but anyway, there's that. So, and it does feel good. So, we're just going to go ahead and put it down there. Then this is Miel Rosemary Mint Clarifying Sugar Scalp Scrub. And I know I tell you guys all the time, my way of keeping all that crap out of my hair is I don't put it in there. But I do have psoriasis. So, I want to see this. Okay, this is what it... And it's just like a harsh thing. And I'm sure it's just, coarse sugar. So it will rinse out easy. Smell it. I didn't smell it. Of course, I got a cold, so that doesn't really mean much. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. I smell the mint. Cleared my nose out. That's good. So I said I'm almost better, just not completely. So, we're going to give that a try. Because I do have psoriasis, and this is OLEHENRIKSEN. This is Glow O Dark Spot Toner, which might be good for these too. Let me see. Where's my knife? I'm probably sitting on it. Because I'm really bad about that. I see the lid. It's like, don't move, don't move. What did I do with it? Well, here it is. I found it. We're all good. Nobody died. There we go. Sit it right there. Sit it right there. I'm bad about that. And this is what it looks like. And I would say this is a full bottle. Glow Dark Spot Toner. Which, oh, it's got a seal on it. I don't really use toners, but I might start just to try and see if there's a difference. Because they say it's, you put this on and it kind of seals your skin to get ready for makeup. So, but when I was growing up, we didn't have such things. You use soap if you were lucky. if you're lucky, yeah, it's just like a base layer for your makeup. So there's that. But nice to have. And OLEHENRIKSEN is a good name, and it seems like a full size. I'll take note when I go to look it up. And this is CUROLOGY Gentle Cleanser, which I use Dr. Brandt. Pores No More. And I do every now and then try new ones, but I always go back to that. So I will try it. Especially because it looks like full size too. You know, it looks like a full size and it's sealed. So let's see what it looks like, what it smells like. You know how I do. Okay, it kind of looks like snot. Ain't gonna lie. But it says you add water and it foams up, so I would say yes it is, because it's trying to foam up without any water. So, yep. And it just kind of has a clean scent. That's what I would say. Okay, then we got this one. This is Florence by Mills. Blow Yeah Lip Oil. Look at me acting all responsible, putting my knife on the table. That never happens. My mom will watch that and say, Deborah. Oh, and here's your lip oil. This is what it looks like. Because she did actually start watching me. I think she's only watching because she wants to see if I'm dead or not. And this is what it looks like. It just has a slight tint to it, but you can't really see it when it's just pretty. Feels good. Tastes good. Some of this stuff tastes like crap. So that matters to me. Put that in here, back in here. Okay, and then we have, I have no idea what we have. Sicilian Light. This is another one of those that's written different languages on each side. It says Sicilian Light. I'm just going to open it. Might be able to read it in the book. Oh, see, I was responsible and didn't know what I did with it. See this? Skin and Company Sicilian Light. That's what it says. I'm assuming it's probably a vitamin C serum. Yeah, that's what I'm assuming. Or something similar. It's a serum of some kind, see? That's right. Yeah, it's a serum. It feels good. It does feel good. See, that's what I'm saying. This box is chock full of, and it's all stuff that's good. Now, then we get Liquid IV, sugar-free. And there's 3 of them in here. Fun fact, the man that invented these used to be my gastrologist at Cleveland Clinic. And he used to give those to us. He gave us the recipe. He used to give us the recipe, you know, because we dehydrate, and that, you know, so he would give the recipe to it. Then he just started selling them, and so then he started handing the samples. I'm gonna be honest with you, I can't digest a lot of this stuff. I can have one here and there, and it's fine, but all the time I can't do it. But this is sugar-free, which may cause a problem for me, because a lot of the stuff that makes things taste good are artificial, and I don't do well with artificial because of my stomach. But there's white peach, lemon lime, and green grape. So I know my mom will drink the peach, and I might drink the grape just to try it, because I haven't tried it in years. They might, you know, because, well, I went to his office one time and I had a 2 o'clock appointment, I think it was, and I got seen 10 o'clock at night in Cleveland. Not good. You know, and I was like, why? And it was dumb because I had my colonoscopy earlier and I had to wait. He wants to see you after results. Well, I don't need that. Just tell me now so I can go. So anyway, there's that. So that's what I'm saying. This box was full. Absolutely full. Probably 1 or 2 items paid for everything. And you know, it's very generous amounts in these items this month. Very generous. I will say, I don't know who does their job at Allure, but they really do a good job. As a matter of fact, I have my YSL lip tint on today that I got in here. Where else are you going to get a YSL lip tint? You're not. So anyway, those are my beauty boxes so far. I do have Jeffree Star coming, so feel free to come back for that. Like, subscribe, you know the routine, do all the good stuff. Come on back. Bye.